How to use QR codes on Android. QR codes, or quick response codes, are square-shaped barcodes that mobile devices can read. They are used in a variety of ways, from displaying a restaurant's menu to sending visitors to a podcast. QR codes can also be used to send visitors to the wedding website, where they can RSVP and learn about the venue, accommodation options, and registries. Creating a QR code is a pretty simple operation that may be accomplished on a computer or a smartphone. I will show you in the first part of the video how to scan a QR code on Android. A lot of devices have a QR code scanner on their built-in software. Whatever you use, Samsung or other brand, you can scan the QR with a simple app. To scan the QR code, we will install Google Lens. Let's open the Play Store. On the search from the top right, Google Lens. After the install is complete, open the app. Allow Google to access photos. Allow Google to take pictures and record video. Tap on while using the app. To scan a QR code, tap on Search with your camera. Scan the QR code with your camera. You will see the exact link on the display. Tap Shutter button to open the website. It is that easy to scan the QR codes. How to create a QR code on Android. On Android, you can use multiple tools to create QR codes. I will show you one easy way to use Google Chrome to create QR codes. Open Google Chrome. Enter into the site you wish to share. Tap on the three dots menu from the top right. From the menu, select Share. Usually on the bottom should be an option called QR code. Tap on that. Here is the QR code for the link. Just download this file, and then send it on whatever app you wish to share. Another way to generate a QR code is to go to the site QR Code Generator. I will put the link into the description and also on the screen. This site will allow you to create any type of QR code, like text, email, SMS, Bitcoin address, all that you need. So check this site if you need a more complex QR code. This is how you use a QR code on Android. If you stayed until the end, please show your appreciation by liking the video. Also, leave us a comment down below and subscribe for more tech videos. Have a great day.